Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to solve the anti-pollution fault in your Peugeot. So let's get right to it. First things first, this common issue usually pops up due to a few reasons: a faulty oxygen sensor, a clogged EGR valve, or even bad fuel. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Step 1, grab an OBD2 scanner. It's a small device that plugs into your car and reads error codes. If you don't have one, check out the links in the description to get one for cheap. Once you plug it in, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. The scanner will display the error codes. Note them down because they'll point you in the right direction. Step 2, let's tackle the most common culprit, the oxygen sensor. This sensor measures the amount of oxygen in your car's exhaust gases. Over time, it can get dirty or fail. Locate it near the exhaust manifold. Disconnect the plug, unscrew it, and replace it with a new one. Easy peasy. Step 3, if that doesn't resolve the issue, you might have a clogged EGR valve. This valve recirculates a portion of your exhaust gases back to the engine. Over time, it can get clogged with carbon deposits. Remove the valve, clean it with a carburetor cleaner, and reinstall it. Finally, use good quality fuel. Sometimes bad fuel can trigger the anti-pollution fault, so make sure you're using reputable brands. Once you've tried these steps, use the OBD2 scanner to clear the codes. Start your car, and that annoying anti-pollution warning should be gone. There you have it, folks. A fast and easy way to solve the anti-pollution fault in your Peugeot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more car maintenance tips. Drive safe and see you next time.